Hello, my name is Thomas Klötzke, a meteorologist here at Meteomatics. Today I would like to show you how to get access to our API. In your browser, type api.meteomatics.com and hit enter. On the website's right-hand side, there's a yellow colored field where you can get access to an API account. In general, there are two types of accounts, the trial account and a paid account. The main differences between these two are in the numbers of queries for each day and minute respectively, and the variety of models you can choose from. For the purpose of this video, we will go with a test account. Just enter your full name, email address, potentially your company, country, and preferred language. When you filled in your details completely, just hit the submit button. Once you hit the submit button, a welcome email will be generated and directly sent to you. In this welcome email, you will find your credentials, and with your credentials, just go back to api.meteomatics.com, hit Getting Started, and then click on the link below your first query. A little window will appear where you can put in your username, which in our case is API_user, and a password which was sent to you in the welcome email. Hit the OK button, and in that case an Excel file will open, so click OK again and hit yes. And in that case an Excel file opens with the information about the current date, time, the parameter chosen, and the values included. In this particular case, we just chose the 2-meter temperature at a specific location. With our API, you can choose any location on the Earth you like, with every parameter that is available at every time step. But how we are going to do that, I will show you in the next video.